Hey, I'm Christy and I have the November Scentsy Whiff Box. So I thought I would just open it and show you and so you can see what the contents of the Scentsy Whiff Box for November 2020. So let's see what we have here. So super cute little box when you open it. I like this style. We have, this is the Whiff Box, and we have holiday cheer, and it's pretty cool in the little flyer. And you can cut out these, you can start with, this is getting started on your holiday giving with these 3D tree gift boxes, cut and fold and tape and glue, and you're done. So there you go. That's that. And these are my son's favorites. You pop these. And let's see what we've got. We have a Snowkissed Cranberry Car Bar. Yay! We have some samples of the Amazon Rain Laundry Liquid and the Amazon Rain Scent Soft. Amazon Rain is a great scent. We also have the Snowkissed Cranberry. This is a good size sample, and it is actually more than 1 cube. And then we have 3 Scentsy bars. 3 Scentsy bars are Jeweled Pomegranate. This is the scent of the month. I love pomegranate everything, so hit for me, Best in Snow. This has been a really big seller for me. It's very fresh. It's got there's a little bit of a mint to it. And then Dancing Sugar Plums. Sorry, I just have to smell them. I've smelled them all before and I want to smell them again. So anyway, Dancing Sugar Plums. You get 3 Scentsy bars, a car bar, 2 samples, a good size Snowkissed Cranberry scent sample, and then you get the, drum roll please, Winterberry Apple Tea. This is the scent, oh my, well, I'm forgetting the word, Scentsy Soak. So if you like to take baths, I do. I don't take many of it anymore, but I have small children. Winterberry Apple Tea is an absolutely amazing scent. I have it in the Scentsy pods. I need to warm it in the bar. I have so many bars though, but this is what I want to warm because I love anything berry, anything apple. So anyway, this is the next thing for you, Winterberry Apple Tea. And the Scentsy Soak, and what's good about this is you can put as much in the bath as you want. So it's not like a bath bomb for one use. This is multiple uses and depends on how much you use in a bath. So I think everyone should get you Scentsy Soak and go take a bath. So anyway, again, you get the Scentsy Soak, you get 3 Scentsy bars. I'm gonna try to see if I can hold it all up in all with my hands. You get this, the Scentsy Snowkissed Cranberry Car Bar. You get the very Snowkissed Cranberry scent sample, which is a good size sample, more than 1 cube. And you get the Amazon Rain Scent Soft, and see if I can carry it all. Oops, I can't carry, oopsie, dropping it. And then you have the Scent Soft Laundry Liquid. So here you go. And if you want to know the value, this is 12 plus, these are, the 3 bars are 8, that would be 18. So that's 30. And then you have a car bar for 6, that's 36. And then you have the sample. So 36 plus some samples. So there you go. And it's only $30 for you. So anyway, if you'd like to get one, please feel free to contact me at my website, buyandsell.scentsy.us. I would love to help you and contact me there. And I would love for you to also subscribe to my channel and like my videos and comment below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day.